Welcome non-Batalay.
Kumusta kayong lahat?
Welcome to our channel, Twohungry Traveler.
Hello guys, today we have prepared one dish. Not only one dish, there is a three kind of dish. I will show you what exactly that one, and one more thing, the spicy one. We will mix with the rice.
First, this one
Okay,
first.
I will show first the dish. This is balatong. They used to say in Ilocano. Green sprouts. This one. And
Not
this one
sprout.
yeah, sprouts only. They will tell.
Oh,
Actually,
this is
okay, green small one. That this one. In Tamil, they used to tell pachapayre. This one hot dog, and this is bitter gourd, and eggplant also they put, right? You put. See, everything very tasty. This one, and mix some bagoon also, right? Okay, I will first taste this one without rice. Okay, I will take ginger also they have put. I forgot to tell you. I will mix with the hot dog. See. The seed is very cooked nicely, and the hot dog very spongy one, very tasty. I will put first this one in the rice also, and after that I will take one by one. I will taste. After that I will mix with the rice. Okay. And this one kamotey, sweet potato leaves, and that one green chili. We will dip with the bagoon. Okay. I will taste. Very hot. Now tell me. See this one. Just boil in the water only. No salt, no nothing. Pure, very fresh. It's very healthy one. And this one, pure tomato. See, we
Plus
mix the vinegar also.
bagoong.
Bagoon. Oh, sorry. Bagoon. And then fresh tomato only. This is a small tomato. This is very fresh. See, that's all. We never put any salt also, not too much. So, I will taste just this three. The vinegar taste is sour. I can feel the taste. Already the tomato also. And this is the one which I like most. I will take out just
Who give you?
my brother-in-law gave. See, first you show inside, and after that I will talk it. I will take this one.
What's that?
This is alamang. Alamang means actually what they put means
Alamang and
chili and some oil they put. You know what this one exactly? I will tell you. I'll take some more. I like. Okay. You know what exactly this one? See, this one they put some small prawns, I think. That small prawns and mix with the chili and the oil, and you can feel the sweetness also because too much spicy they add. So that is the reason. First I will taste without anything. See, yeah. When you put in the tongue itself, you can taste the sweetness first, and after that the spiciness, everything is coming because it is too much spicy. See here, you can see the small prawns also, but it is already cooked nicely. I will mix with the rice some. Okay, I will mix with the rice without anything. I am going to eat this one. Very tasty. The cat is already clean. See, very disturbance. Too much disturbance. The cat.
I need to put you outside.
Yeah, go.
Oh, the mother will come.
Okay. See, now what I'm going to tell means this one, balato, and the rice. And also mix some alamang. Okay. I will eat this one. See. See this one. Here you focus. See? Mmm. Very tasty. And I will take this
You put
one.
this one in the bagoong. Here in the bagoong. You dip this one in the bagoong.
See here. I will dip. Very tasty and nice. I'll add some tomato also. Okay. Fresh tomato is very good for health. I'll mix the rice and then I'm going to. Very tasty. The tomato is very crunchy and little bit sour only. The bagoong is giving a saltiness. It's very tasty when you mix with the rice. Okay guys, I hope everyone liked this video and you saw all the food also. And thank you for watching. And if you like the video, please share, comment, and I will see you on the next video. And please support my channel. And the person who haven't subscribed, please subscribe also. God bless everyone. Bye.